This is another test of ECOMILL 1700 multigrain mill performed for corn grits processing. We haven't milled corn grits before, so it was very interesting to find out the results of corn processing on our mills and flour quality as well. The tests proved that it is possible to process germ-free corn on the ECOMILL 800 Universal Mill, and the flour quality similar to that sold in supermarkets. The mill production capacity amounted to 600 kilograms per hour, 1,320 pounds per hour, and the total flour output made up 80%.